A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to solve frequently asked questions in trigonometry and competitive exams, commonly in competitive exams. Okay, in trigonometry. So first bit is given cot theta equal to a cosec square minus 1, sec square minus 1. Third bit cosec square minus root over cosec square minus 1 and sec square minus 1. You know that cosec sec is there, given one. We know cot is related to sec or cosec. We know our identity is there, third identity. You know, square identity is there, cosec square theta minus tan square theta, a cosec square minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is our identity. Using this identity, why? Because cot is related with cosec, sec is related with tan, sin with cos. So this is our third identity. Square identity is there. Now what you have to find? You have to find cot theta. So this move that side, this move this side. Square is there. Without square you have to write. So this is nothing but cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Cot square, remove this square, put here root. So cosec square theta minus 1 is a solution. Where is that? Root over cosec square minus this. C is a solution of this question. So cot related to cosec. So you have to find that squares are given here. Logically you have to think square identity of this is cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. So move this number to that side, move this one to this side. So cosec square minus 1 square here, cot is there. So move this root also, square also. If you move the square other side, it will become in root form. So like this we can find the very quickly we can find the solution. Within second we can solve that. Now second bit is there, sec 180 minus theta is dash or bit. First bit is given sec theta, second bit is given minus sec theta, third bit is given cosec theta, fourth bit is minus cosec theta. Now see that 180 is given. Solution of it we have to get. How? Sec theta, sec 180 is there. 180 minus theta. We know that here 90, here 180. 180 minus theta comes in this one. All silver. Silver means sign. Silver means sign. Sign is positive. Here what is it? Sec. Sec is there. Here sec is there. Sec 180 plus lies in this one, so it is negative. Negative sign we have to put. 180, for 180 same value is there, it is sec. Theta is there, na? So theta, sec theta. Where is this bit? Second one. Minus of sec theta. Second bit is there, B. So we can find like that. Third bit. See, very simple. It will take only seconds of time. 360 times 360 plus theta equal to dash. Take bits. First bit is tan theta. Second bit is given minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Third bit cot theta. Fourth bit minus cot theta. For again we have to see that 360, whenever 360 there, we have answer as tan. For tan is there. So two answers are there. These and these are not our answer. Why? Because tan 360 means we have to simplify it. It comes in first quadrant. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant, means we are coming in this first quadrant. All are positive. All are positive means this is the solution. 1, or if it is 1 is there, so 1 is your solution. Okay, very simple. Tan 360, tan is our answer. Plus theta comes in first one, all are positive, the positive one, not this one. So like this we can cancel the first two answers just seeing 360. Here also 180 is there. Cancel the other two. Sec is sec. These two all also get cancelled. Like that we can simplify the answers. Whenever here also cot theta is there. For cot theta, root should be there. Root should be there means this and these two are there. These two are not solution. So like that if we concentrate, we will solve the questions very quickly. Now one more question. Fifth one. Sec 90. Sec 90 is dash. First bit root 2. Second bit 2 by root 3. Third bit 2. Fourth bit infinity. Now sec 90 is what? If you know cos 0, take the, if you know cos 90, 90 is there, sec 90, na? So sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 90 is what? 0. Sec 90 is reciprocal of 0, means 1 by that, infinity. Where is that? Fourth bit. So simply we can find that one. For cos 90 we know that for sec 90 we have to see sin 90 degree. For sec 90 we have to take cos 90 degrees value. That is what? 0. Why? Because sin 0 degree is 0. If we interchange it, so this value change to 90. The cos is this means reciprocal of that is 1 by 0, that is infinity. So like that we can find the values. Very simple one. Problems are very easy in trigonometry if you by heart the formula. Now fifth one. If sin theta is a by b, then cos theta equal to dash. A bit root over a square minus b square by b, b by a, b square minus a square by b, and b minus a by b. Now see that sin and cos is there. We have only one identity, that is sin square theta minus plus cos square theta equal to 1. Square identity is there. If this is there, we need to find sin in terms of this, cos we are there. So we know that sin theta is what? From this identity we know that root over 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square is what? Cos theta is what? 1 over 1 minus sin square theta root over. We have to find cos value. Sin is given. So substitute here. 1 minus sin is what? A by b. A by b whole square. So this is simplified. This is not there. This form is not there. So now we have to simplify it. Root over, this is nothing but 1 minus a square by b square. So again this is nothing but b was a b square. B square minus a square by b square. Is there? B square, a square. B is there, here b square. Because of this root we can simplify. We can separate the root also. For numerator 1 root, for denominator square root get cancelled. So you will get b only. So C is your answer. C is your answer. So just if you know this identity, directly you can write this step. Sin is there. There is no need to write sin because cos we have to find. So we can write these two. Any one of these is there. We can find like that. Now question number 6. What is there? Tan square 30 degrees plus 2 cot square 60 degrees equal to dash. Bits are given 2 by 3, second bit is given 2, third bit is given 1, fourth bit is given, that is 4 by 3. Now tan 30, you know that tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay. and cot 60 same you will get value. Cot 60 again, cot 60 degrees, this is interchanging value of that one, again 1 by root 3. So square is there, so we can write this 1 by root 3 whole square plus 2 times is there, again 1 by root 3 whole square. So this is what, 1 square is 1, square root get cancelled, so you will get 3 here, plus 2 as it is, again 1 square is 1, is here 3. So this is nothing but 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. If you take LCM, you will get 3, 1 plus 2, same, 3 by 3, that is 1. Where is that? Third bit. So third bit is your answer. Third bit is your answer. So like that we can solve the problems very quickly. Now problem 7. Just see. Sine square 75 degrees plus cos square 75 degrees equal to dash. You know that this is very simple one. A bit given like this, 75, 150, tan square 1. Here just see identity is there. What is that? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Whatever theta is there, 75, both thetas are same. 75, 100, 200. For any value of this theta, if sin square theta plus cos square theta, these two values are same, then we can say that if these two are same, yes, if these two same, sin square cos square plus sin is there. So first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is D. D is our answer. Very simple one, just saying that. The problem is looking like that, array 75 means we have to take 45 plus 30. There is no need to do that much of lengthy problem here. Now 8th one is tan theta in terms of sec theta. Okay, yeah, this is there. Is in terms of tan theta value in terms of sec we have to get given. A bit is what? This side, see this sec square theta minus 1 divided by sec theta. B bit is what? Sec theta divided by root over sec square theta minus 1. C bit 1 by root over sec square theta minus 1. Another one D is that directly we have to write sec square theta minus 1. Here tan theta is there. We know that identity in tan related to sec is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now what value we have to have? We have to find sec value. Okay? Oh, sorry. Tan in terms of sec. So we have to find separate tan. Tan is nothing but what? You move this number to that side. We will get that tan theta equal to this number will come this side. This goes to that side. So it is there. So this is nothing but sec square theta minus 1. If root is there, root over this. Tan theta is what? Sec square theta minus 1. Where is that? This. Here. D. So solution is D. Here answer is D. Again same question. Tan square, tan is related to this with this identity. Move this number and square root, put the root. So sec square minus 1 is a D. So like that, very simple one. We can, if you practice, you will get the answers easily. Now if phi sin theta equal to 3, then what value of this? Okay. If 5 times sin A is 3, then sec square A minus tan square A is dash. Bits are given there. Question is very typical one. 9 by 25 second one 0, third one 25 by 9, and fourth one 1. Now see that here 5 sin A equal to 3, then sec square minus tan square is there. A is given, A is there. So there is no need to worry about this. But here sec square theta minus tan square theta is our identity. Just see, sec square theta minus tan square theta is our identity. Whatever value if you substitute in place of this, like that, for sin A is what? 3 by 5. Actually it goes to this side. So this is nothing but sin A is what? Sin A is 3 by 5. But if you take and substitute, you will get value as 1. So just seeing this identity, we can write that fourth is the answer. Without seeing this one, whatever is there, just we have to find A is there. For AA, if both are same, then we see that this is our identity. Always this identity is 1 for any value. For any value, if you substitute 5 by 3 also, we will get this value as 1. If you substitute for 50 by 30, then also we will get same value as 1. Why? Because it is a formula. Whenever formula is there, just we have to write that identity value. So it is 1 by, it is 1. Why? Because this is a second identity. Now 10th question. Sin A minus B value is 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is 1 by 2. Then find A value. A bit is 60 degree, 15 degrees, 30 degree and 45 degree, like that. Now whenever we will get this type, value is there, some sin theta is this, cos theta is this, then we have to find that which value of sine is half. Which value of sine is half? Sin 30 is half. You know that. Okay. So this and these are same, means sin A minus B is half, means sin 30 is also half. So in place of AB, in place of A minus B, what we get here? 30 degrees. So these two values are same. Why? Because sin half, sin half. So this value should be same. That means we will get A minus B equal to 30 degrees. Here, and see this side. Which value of cos is half? That is cos 60. We know that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because it is reciprocal. We interchange from there to this. 30 values goes to cos 60. That's why this. Again, what given here? A plus B equal to half. So half of equal, cos equal. A plus B is, we are getting A plus B is 60. Now we have to find value of A. Substitute here, add here. A plus B is given 60. Now add this. These two plus B minus B gone. A, what? 2A. 2A equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because 30 plus 60, 90. A equal to 90 by 2. That equal to 45. Where is that? D. So D is your solution. A is 45. Similarly, we can find B also. If B is there, somewhere one question you will get, find B value. How much B value is there? Similarly, we have to, again we have to here subtract this. A plus B is 60. If you subtract this, here we have make an addition. Addition we have done. Addition we have done. If you subtract equation 1 to, what you will get that? You will get that 2B. Or substitute this, you will get that value. 45 is there, na? Substitute here 45 plus B equal to 60 degrees. So B is what? 60 minus 45. You will get 15 degrees. So B, for B it is correct answer. For B it is 50. For A 45. So like that we will get that 45 minus 15, 30. 30 value is this. 45 plus 15, 60. Cos 60 is again 1 by 2. So similarly we can solve this question. Just you need to compare with what value of sine is half. So sin 30 is half. So in place of A minus B 30, what value of cos is half? For 60. So in place of A plus B we can take 60. Here A minus B is given. Here A plus B is given. So two equation we will get. solve one equation, we will get the value of this. If b is there, again we substitute in place of that, we will get the value of that. Okay. Now one more question is there, very simple one, 11th one. See here, it is cos 240 degrees is what? Cos 240 degrees is what? Now we can do it with a different way. One thing is there, just to change it with, take less than that one, 270, cos 270 minus theta, or we can take 180 plus theta. If you take it is in a 180 plus theta, take the options. Here options are 1 by 2. Second option is minus root 3 by 2. Third option is, this is B, this C. C is minus 1 by 2. And fourth one is 1 by 2, none. None is also there. Okay. Now, we can write this in simple way, 180. 180 plus 60 degrees. 180 plus theta is again cos theta. So it is what? 240 is nothing but 180 plus 60, 240. Here we have split it. 240 is nothing but 180 plus. For 180 is what? We have to write cos 60. But it comes in all silver teacups. Just see here. All silver teacups. 180 plus theta falls in this one. So it should be negative. Why? Because tan is there. T stand for tan theta. So this one is cos. That's why it is negative. Negative cos. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. But negative is there. Negative 1 by 2. So C is our answer. C is our bit. Like that we can find the answers. Now 12th one, 2 times 2 into tan square 45 plus 3 cot square 45. So solution of this is, bits are given 2, 5, 3, none. Here tan 45 is how much? We know that tan 45 is 1 and cot 45 is also 1. Reciprocal of that is same. So this is 2 times tan 45, 1 square is there, so we square, plus 3 times again 1 square. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Square of 1 is 1. 2 plus 3, that is 5. So B is our solution. B is our solution. Now question number 13. 13 is there. What is that here? Sin square plus cos sin theta plus cos theta whole square is given, plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to dash. Okay, bits are there. Bits like that. First bit A, 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta. Second bit, second B. B is 2. C is 2 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta. And fourth bit is 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta is there. Missing. Something missing. Okay, let us see. It's what? Sin square, sin theta plus cos of whole square. Sin plus cos whole square. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It's a plus b, a minus b whole square type is there. A plus b whole square plus of a minus b whole square. So a plus b is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. If we write here, this is a square plus b square, but minus 2ab. Minus 2ab get cancelled. So what we will get? We get a square, b square, a square, b square. That means 2 times a square plus b square. A is what? Sine. So this is nothing but 2 times sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we are simplifying with algebra, using algebra, very simple one. A is what? Sine. In place of b, cos. A minus b. If square is there, we have to write this way. Now minus plus get cancelled. 2 times a, 2 times a square, 2 times b square. So 2 times a, we are separating. We are taking 2 common. So a square plus b square. 2 into this. So this is nothing but 2. But this value is again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Where is that 2? B. So this is our, B is our solution. Like this we can do the problems very fast and easy. Now question number 14. Sin 420 is dash 420. Sin, we know that 420. We can write this 420. 420 means complete 360 plus is there. 360 plus what? 20, 60 if you take this. Again 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. For 360 what we have to take, right? Whenever 360 is there, same sign we have to write. Sign. It comes in first quadrant, so it is plus. So okay, this is plus theta. Plus theta means theta is here 60. In place of theta we have to write 60. For 360 degrees, sin is sin, theta is same, plus value for first quadrant. So this is sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Where is that? B. B is our solution. So like that we can change into this way. Suppose one more problem, if you want to take 750, okay, you can solve this also. This is nothing but sin 2 times 360. How much this is? 20 plus 30. If you take this 20, again 360 is there. How many times? N times you can take, but 360 is there. On this basis we can write this sin theta and 30 degrees. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Like that we can find any value. Here sin theta, like 15th question, sin theta into cosec theta plus cosec theta into sec theta plus tan theta into cot theta equal to dash. You know that sin and cosec is reciprocal. It is identity. Sin theta and cosec theta is what? Always identity 1. Cos theta and sec theta again is a reciprocal identity 1. Tan theta plus tan theta plus cot theta again, into cot theta again identity. Both are into form, reciprocal of this. So this is identity plus this identity plus this. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many? 3. Where is that 3? A. So A is our answer. Okay, like this we can solve. Just seeing this we can say that is the identity. Identity plus 1 plus 1. 3 times 3 identities are there. So it is 3.